What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mecha Cuddle Master from FORTNITE. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page with the outside edge of the mask. We'll start right in the middle with a point. From here we're going to draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the left. Go back to the center. We're going to do the same thing on the right, going up and out towards the same height. Let's round out the side of the mask, starting from the very top. Curve this out and then down. Go to the right, going out, and then down. Now you want to curve the mask coming down and in towards the center point. Let's start back on the left, come down, and then bend that in, curve this out, and then back up. Now you want to trace the mask along the inside. From that center point, we'll step down, add another point, draw that same angle line going up towards the left, go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Let's trace the sides, going out and then down. Let's bring this back towards the center. Just following that same curve, coming in, let's go back up to the top and draw in the nose. Starting over on the left, curve this up the middle, and then back down. Now from the sides, we're just going to curve this up and in towards the center point. And from that center point, let's step up, add another point, draw a straight angle line going up and out toward the top of the head on the left, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's pull this up towards the middle with a straight angled line. Bring this down on the right. Go back to the center, draw a straight line coming down the middle. Now I'm going to round out the side of the helmet. Starting from the left side, I'm going to curve the head going out, come down, and just pull that in towards the side, just up above that point. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's add those two large ovals on the side of the head. Starting on the top left, so we go up, come down towards the bottom, just pull that back up towards the outside. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, bring that down, and then back up towards the side. Now we draw a smaller oval pushed up towards the top. We start up here, curving around, go back up towards the top, and do the same thing on the right side. Let's add the ears along the side of the head, starting on the top left, angle up and out with a straight line, and then we'll line this up on the right. Let's flatten off the ends, coming down and out toward the bottom of the ear. And we'll pull this back down and in towards the side of the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside. From the bottom, step up, go up along the side, up towards the top, and then bring that back in. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start all the way over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go to the right, go in the opposite direction. Now we're going to draw two straight lines coming down towards the middle, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start with the left. Move down and in, do the same thing on the right, and we'll close out the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to add some detail to the body. Let's start by adding a heart in the center. Starting right in the middle, we'll start with a point. Curve up towards the left, down, and then in towards the center. And we'll flip that over on the right side. Let's add a trim along the side. From the top, we'll step in, curve out, and then down. Let's go halfway down the side of the body, draw a straight angle line, coming down and in towards the middle, angle back up and out. We'll move up, draw two short angle lines coming in, come back down and in towards the middle. Let's go underneath the heart, start with a straight line going across, angle down and out towards the left and right side. Let's go back over towards the left, draw a straight angle line coming up and in, flatten this off, then come down and out towards the bottom. Now add two circles on either side. Let's go back to the left side, step down, draw another straight angle line coming down and in towards the middle, go back up and out. Now I'm going to move in, draw two curves, one on the left coming down and in, one on the right, close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add one more point in the center, starting with the dot, and up and out towards the left and right side. Let's move back up to the top and add the shoulder straps. From the top of the body, we'll step out, curve out, down, and then in. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from this left point, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the heel, curving the foot coming down and then up on either side. Let's go back to the left side and curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up, spin that down on the inside, then draw a straight line coming in. I'm going to go to the top of the foot on the left, step out, angle up and out. Pull that in with a short line. Angle down and in. And I'll draw a straight line coming down on top of the foot. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the side leg going in behind the armor. Starting from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top. Now I'm going to add some more detail to the legs. Let's start from the inside of the left leg, curve this down, and then out. And we'll angle this down and in towards the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to add some straps along the inside of the leg. From the bottom, step up, draw a straight line going across on either side. Go to that top point, draw a straight line coming in, step down, and draw that twice. Let's go back up to the hips, step down, curve down, and then in on either side. And we'll add one more trim along the side of the leg. Starting on the left, curve down and in, and taper that back out. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start from the bottom of the strap, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist on both sides. Let's go back to the left, draw a half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the finger coming down and up around that bracket, step down, curve down, and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, pull this up, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from the top, we draw a short line coming down, and we'll curve this in and then down towards the inside of the arm. Let's separate the wrist. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve this up and then out. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and curve the arm coming down in behind the forearm. Starting from the top left, curve this out, and then down. And now we're going to place those shoulder pieces on top of the arm. Let's start on the left, draw a straight line going up, angle this up and out toward the side, and we'll pull that straight in behind the head. And finally, we'll connect that outside point to the top of the shoulder with a straight angled line. And that's pretty much it. There's Mecha Cuddle Master from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.